guys, welcome, and today we are going to again upcycle an old maxi style dress which I stitched for my Uraj. So now I will be just recycling it because I like the fabric combinations, but it's falling apart from the sides, so I will keep the same combination and everything, but I will stitch where it's where the fabric is coming out from. So and the rest will be the same because the border is done, so I would like to take the length from the bottom. Now it's entirely up to you whichever part is your favorite side of your dress, you can take that part. So first we'll mark for the length, and then we will decide how we are going to design this. So I usually mark on the wrong side of fabric, which is easier, and your pretty side of fabric won't be wrong. So my length is 19 inches, and this is for 6 months to 1 year old, but I am making this for 8 months old. So first I will sew these sides where my fabric is coming out from, and I'll just do the straight stitch here, and mark your desired length and cut that part off, and then we will start designing. Now the cutting and the rib part stitching is done. So for the design, what I decide to do is, because it has a lot of fabric, so I decided to do is make pleats, very thin pleats on the black panel. So what I will be doing, the pleats are going to be 1/2 inch apart from each other, and if you want to make thicker pleats, then go ahead and do that. It's entirely up to your taste. The length of my pleats are going to be 6 inches, 2 inches for the neckline depth, and after that mark 6 inches. This is where I want my pleats to be end, and that's what I will do at the front and at the back. So mark your front and back, or if you don't want to do it at the back, it's again up to you. Make sure you're going to attach the button strip or zipper. Here I will show you how I do the stitching for the pleats. I will show you how to sew the pleats. I will show you in front of the camera so you would have idea that how I am doing it. First I started from the middle, but you can definitely skip that part if you want to open the slit at the front. So I will make a button strip at the front, so that's so just skip the middle part. I had to open it at the end because I forgot. And one more thing I just wanted to mention you is make sure it's not lined up, because if your fabric is lined and you're making plates, they won't be clean and nice. I was doing it with the lining, so I wasn't happy with the result, but I couldn't do it because it was already stitched. So if you can take a part of your lining and fabric, please go ahead, do it. My fabric was stitched in panel style, so I couldn't do it. That's why I had to work with the lining. Now as you can see, I'm just taking the fabric just 1/2 inch apart from the first pleat. So that's how you do it, and you sew all the pleats like that. This is how they look so far, and I will finish off all the rest of the pleats, and then I'll show you. Now I have finished the front and back pleats, and this is how they look so far. I just want to tell you one thing, that after you're done, then make sure you iron it heavily, so all the pleats are going to be nice and crisp. After that I will start marking from the middle. So this is how I place my fabric since it's already stitched from the sides, or because there is a border involved at the end. That's why I didn't open the sides. Okay, for the marking, the shoulders are 4.5 inches. The depth of the shoulder armhole is going to be 4.5 inches again. The width, the chest mark is 6 or 6.5 inches, depending on the weight of your body, baby's body. I am taking 6 inches here, so you can take 6.5 inches to 7 inches. And after that, for the waist mark, I want little bit fitting around the waistline, so it has a nice flare at the bottom. So I will take 5.5 inches actually. So this is how it looks, and as if you want to add the belt or elastic around the waist area, then go ahead, do it. If you want to have a lot of flare, if your kid is a little bigger and she can walk, then definitely take all the flare, but I will do some fittings at the end. Alright, for the neckline, the width is going to be 1.5 inches to 2 inches. Again, it's depend on your size, child size, and the depth is going to be 2 inches for the front and 1.5 inches for the back, or 2 inches for the back. Again, it's all depend on your taste. At the front, I will open the slit, so it would be easy for my daughter to put it on and take it off, and same thing I will do for the back. Now this part I will open as I told you earlier, and I will make a stitching here. So this is for the button strip. I will attach it, and in my previous videos I already showed you how to do it. And this is the final result, and I made these fabric button at home from the leftover pieces. You can totally do that, and I will show you in my upcoming video in my Urdu channel. On my Urdu channel I have already uploaded it. Make sure you iron it really well, and the sleeves I used from the old dress. So if you make anything like that, please share with me and hashtag at styloblender, or please check out my Instagram and Facebook page. The links are already I have already given into the description box. Until the next video, take care you all. Bye now.